The central bank governor, Mr. Godwin Emefiele, has pledged the institution's support for the Dangote Refinery and Petrochemical complex in Lagos. The Apex Bank's chief, who paid a visit to the construction site of the $14 billion project, added that such support will come in the form of providing foreign exchange. He goes on to applaud the visionary leadership of the president of Dangote Group, Alhaji Aliko Dangote, for a project which is aimed at making Nigeria an exporter of finished petroleum products.
Leaders of three powerhouses in Nigeria. He is Africa's biggest industrialist. He is the head of Nigerian Money House and the oil and gas mogul in a rare visit which has the future of Nigeria at heart. So much has been said about Dangote Refinery coming up, and this visit by the CBN governor is an on-the-spot assessment of the Dangote industrial complex. The plan here is quite audacious: a 650,000 barrels per day production refinery, a fertilizer plant, and a petrochemical plant sitting on an over 2,000 hectares of land at the largest industrial complex in Africa. Simultaneously, this $14 billion project, or the equivalent of 2.8 trillion naira, is being built at a unique location that will allow for evacuation through the sea. An overwhelmed Apex Bank chief bears his mind.
We have to give him foreign exchange to import their equipment. Indeed, people talk about allocating foreign exchange to Dangote Industries, and I must say that we need to support companies like this. When he contemplated this project, he came with a bill of almost close to about $4 billion at that time, before I got to Central Bank of Nigeria, for the importation of the equipment. And the Central Bank committed that, listen, that we want you to commit to the importation of those equipment, and we will stagger repayment and support you by providing foreign exchange for this. And that is what we're doing, and that is the kind of support that we can give to people like this who are contemplating moving Nigeria away from an importer of all these products to an exporter.
Today we can serve the whole of West African market. Okay, we're also freeing up the gas which is right there in the ground. You know, we're doing a gas pipeline through the sea, 550 kilometers each, 2 lines, which is about 1,100 from Boni to here, and that will give us 3 billion cubic feet of gas. At the moment today, the entire consumption of Nigeria is 1 billion. So we are going to triple that, all at a stretch.
When ready in 36 months, the entire petrol consumption of Nigeria can be refined here. All the fertilizer needed in country will be accommodated here. And the industries will also rely on this complex for raw materials. Plus, the plethora of jobs and over $6 billion Nigeria will earn. Dangote says this is for the country.